Alright guys, first jig fish of the day. Let's get on some more. We're here for the big boys. What's going on guys? We're here, we made it. Hey man, I'm just curious to know, let me know if you get a chance, how you feel about penning the fish, man. I mean, I'm in a limited area. I don't have too many options. I have a few places I know, but this is one of the good spots that actually does produce fish. Now don't get me wrong, nothing here is guaranteed. You can come here and catch one fish. The most fish I ever caught in one day here was 5 at this particular spot. It's a ton of pressure. So let's see what goes down today. We'll see how it works out. $5 for wishes. Help me out.